Earning money and getting rich in this modern world is quite difficult, but it is not impossible. You will have to adapt some good money habits to get rich. If you are successful in acquiring those habits, then you will get rich without any difficulty. In this particular video, we are going to tell you 10 money habits which you must accept and start following to become a millionaire by 2023. So let's just start now with the first habit. 1. Establishing and maintaining a budget. For most of us, creating a budget seems like a boring chore. However, creating a suitable budget both annually and on a monthly basis is a crucial component of managing personal finances. You will be able to see where your hard-earned money is going by doing this. Equally crucial to creating a budget is regularly tracking it. Play Store and App Store now contains a variety of budgeting apps. Any program that suits your needs can be downloaded. Daily spending records are kept, and monthly summaries are reviewed. You'll eventually start to do it routinely once you begin doing. Identifying unneeded costs that may be cut back in the future can assist you. Remember that if a budget is used correctly, it doesn't restrict you, instead it improves you. 2. Adjusting the savings equation. We are excellent at conserving money, but we only do it after we have spent what is left. Don't save what's left over after spending, instead, spend what's left over after saving, as Warren Buffett once said. You can save money by doing this instead of buying goods you don't need. Our main issue is that, despite our best intentions, we frequently buy unnecessary items with our money. We regularly consume wine, go out to dine, and buy unnecessary clothing. We could, however, increase our wealth if we can keep things under control and invest or prepare for our retirement. From next time, whenever you try to splurge money, just ask you one question: that whether you will earn anything from that product or not. Even I stopped overspending by asking myself this simple question every time. To know more financial tips, consider subscribing our channel and press the like button at the same time. 3. Always create an effective financial strategy. The first step in building wealth is to have a clear understanding of where you are now and where you want to be financially. Make a list of your objectives, choose a time frame, and determine the financial requirements for each objective. Planning your finances will point you in the proper way for achieving financial independence. You may discuss your goal-setting process with your partner. It will help you become more focused. And never forget to constantly write down your goals on paper and stick them to the fridge or a window so you can see them every day and reflect on where you are right now. 4. Recognizing how assets and liabilities differ. It's crucial to comprehend how assets and liabilities differ from one another. Your financial situation is influenced by your assets and liabilities. Because a car's worth will decrease over time, it is a liability rather than an asset, for instance. Purchasing stock in a reputable firm, on the other hand, is a wise investment since it will increase in value over time and will also allow you to get dividend income, but please speak with a financial expert before investing. Keep in mind that although wealthy individuals invest in assets, impoverished people often invest in liabilities. 5. Making timely debt payments. Numerous credit card offers are flooding the market, promising a variety of perks including cash back, free family cards, fee waivers, and more. The ability to use credit cards for a variety of advantages and discounts is always beneficial, but many individuals neglect to make timely payments on their credit card balances. You will be required to pay additional costs like interest and late fees if you don't pay your credit card account on time. Regular payment missed deadlines can also result in a reduction in credit limit and a drop in credit rating. I would again like to remind you to subscribe our channel. 6. Getting professional assistance. What will you do if you get chest pain or fever? After doing some research on Google, are you going to the doctor or are you just going to look for some medication by yourself? Since you don't want to take any chances, I am confident that you will visit a doctor. So why don't you seek out a financial advisor's assistance in managing your finances? Equally crucial is the state of your finances. Do not heed the advice of friends, family members, or others who lack money management expertise. Not only can consulting a financial counselor save you time, but it will also enable you to steer clear of costly errors. 7. Investing with the right knowledge. Do you still have a memory of how much research you performed before purchasing your most recent smartphone? You must have examined every aspect, such as camera quality, CPU, display, operating system, and price, among others. Why not then make in proper effort, research, and then invest? Before making an investment, it is crucial to conduct some fundamental research. In the long run, it can assist you in avoiding expensive financial blunders. Consult an expert before making any risky investment. 8. Maintaining emotional control when investing. Emotions are crucial to the investment process. Without being able to regulate your emotions when making financial decisions, you won't be able to make a living in the financial market or investing. The fundamental reason why so many individuals purchase at market peaks and sell at market troughs is because they invest based on strong emotions like greed or fear. The task of controlling your emotions is more difficult than it seems. Controlling your emotions while making financial judgments requires years of experience. 9. Raising money sensitivity. Benjamin Franklin once stated, "Knowledge is the best investment you can make." It is crucial to grasp the fundamentals of finance. Try to read some books about managing your money or personal finances. It will assist you in avoiding financial blunders while making decisions about investing, saving, or other financial problems. If you feel bored to read books, then do watch YouTube videos for gathering knowledge. You can also consider watching our videos daily. 10. Telling your financial plan to your family. In current culture, the head of the household or the breadwinner makes the majority of the financial decisions. When making any financial decisions or creating a financial plan, it is crucial to tell your wife about your plans. You may raise their financial awareness in this way. Make a list of every savings, investment, and insurance policy you have, and give it to your spouse. All family members must be committed and make an effort to see that the family's financial objectives are achieved. That's all for this video. If you learned something new from this video, then do subscribe our channel for more videos related to finances. Also like this video. One like and subscribe motivates us to make new videos. If you have any query, then feel free to comment it below. Thanks for watching.